Are you on the market for a racing wheel in the UK that doesn't cost as much as your entire console? Well, the PXN V9 GEN 2 might be the best budget setup that you've never heard of until now. First off, the wheel itself is seriously well built for the price. You're getting a full 11-inch rubber wrapped rim, which is textured for grip and has solid feeling paddle shifters. It doesn't flex under pressure, and the brushed metal face gives it that premium edge that's rare for under £200. So that is a bonus, and the clamps are rock solid even on the slimmer desks that we have over here in the UK. But the one thing UK gamers will love is this works on PC, Xbox One, Xbox Series X and S, and PlayStation 4. So there's no weird region locking or faff with drivers, it's just plug in and play. And even PS5 will work with a third-party adapter or controller pass-through. So whether you're into GT7, Forza Horizon, Assetto Corsa, or even Euro Truck, this has you sorted. So you've got a 270 degrees to 900 degrees adjustable rotation, which means it covers the arcade races and more serious sims. It uses a 16-bit magnetic encoder, and while it's not a direct drive, it does offer sharp, precise input and decent weight behind the wheel. The force feedback obviously isn't ultra heavy, but it is responsive and smooth enough to immerse you without overpowering your arms. And yes, this bundle includes 3-pedal setup and a 6-speed H-pattern shifter, all in the box. Another feature is the pedals are using Hall effect sensors, so you're going to get that precision and durability. The brake pedal has a progressive feel. It's not load cell level, but by far more consistent than other wheels in this price bracket. And for the price, getting a separate shifter included is an absolute win. And obviously you can tweak everything anyway through the PXN Wheel app, so that's on iOS and Android. You can change force feedback levels, LED lighting, pedal curves, and even remap buttons without touching a PC. That kind of flexibility is rare, especially in this price range. So let's be real, racing wheels can get expensive fast, but in the UK, you can grab the PXN V9 GEN 2 for around about 170 to 190 pounds. That's insane value when you factor in that you're getting a wheel, pedal with Hall effect sensors, paddle shifters, full gear shifter, adjustable rotation, and cross-platform support. It's ideal for beginners and the casual sim racer who wants a full setup without really remortgaging their whole house. So if you're after a budget sim racing wheel in the UK, I'd say the PXN V9 GEN 2 is an absolute standout choice. And it's not just good for its price, I mean it's genuinely good, period. For under £200, this gets you a 90% of the experience at 50% of the cost. So if this video has helped you in any way decide whether this is the wheel for you, if you want cross-platform, you're a starter router, whatever it is, looking for that budget wheel without splashing out the cash, then I appreciate if you hit the like, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any further uploads, and also leave in the comments below if you've tried out PXN or what you're rocking on your racing sim. But other than that, my name's been Callum, capture, create, captivate, and I'll see you all in the next video.